Kia ora, my name is Daryn Uamairangi, was raised rurally and schooled at Parakino and Ranana by hardworking parents. Shepherding, soldiering, and private contracting had me working in various countries. However, for the last 8 years, I have been working as a CEO for our community league team, happily married, with 3 adult children, 10 mokopuna. What I bring, a resilient mindset that is outcome focused with a driven nature to achieve. Well, I see 3 challenges. Firstly is keeping families warm in the winter. Second is capturing enough water for the summer period. And lastly, the updating of old traditional septic tanks. Now, I believe we can address these challenges by putting forward a collective funding proposal to our key partners and address these issues. Micro businesses, tourism and farming still remain our biggest opportunities. But by creating our own media platform will allow rural residents to capture and personalise their vision. In many ways, it allows them the opportunity to present themselves, their ideas and businesses to a much wider audience, and for most, this will be a new experience.